Do you have a high maintenance life? Does your life require a great deal of emotional investment or energy to maintain? It may be a sign that you make relationships with customers, clients, patients, colleagues, personal and family relationships about meeting your needs rather than about meeting theirs. If you assume a parental role, you impose your will on others. Even if you justify your caring is in their best interests, mother henning is unsustainable. Even if you justify that your products, your services, your messages are in the best interest of others, mother henning is unsustainable. They become the problem. You take their choices personally. Their rejection produces doubt, anger, fatigue, and eventually burnout in you. So how is that useful? When you live through others, you're unable to be the anchor people secretly crave, impeding the important component of hope. By mother henning about what you have little or no control over, their choices, their pace of personal growth and healing, their desire to follow through, the priority they place on health, wealth, your products, services, ideas, messages, etc. You impact or blunt your impact is blunted. Your capacity is reduced. Be in control without being controlling. Focus on your goals and be role models for others. Live the life of your dreams because deep down inside, you know you want to. I'm Dr. Jo Messenger. Remember to like and share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do my courses at jomessenger.com, and remember, until we meet again, laugh lots and you get more of what you think about.